Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your social studies class. Dear student, our today's topic is my school. स्कूल में कौन कौन होता है? टीचर, स्टूडेंट्स, प्रिंसिपल, एडमिन, कंप्यूटर लैब, साइंस लैब, music class, library. These places are in your school, ground, and so many things. So dear student, open page number 32. Here are some blanks. You have to fill these blanks. Here you have to write your school name and the color of your school uniform and the school timing, which was before the lockdown, and give answer of this question. Who do you meet in your school? आपको स्कूल में कौन मिलते हैं? टीचर, वॉचमैन, डॉक्टर, टेलर, फ्रेंड्स. आपको जस्ट अंडरलाइन करना है जो आपको मिलते हैं स्कूल में. So dear student, your homework is that write your school name, color of your school uniform and school timing which was before lockdown, and give answer of last question. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.